What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go to our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.042, down 7.3 on the day, seeing a market cap of 290 million. 24-hour volume, 172 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, make sure to grab up to 8K in bonuses. This is the exchange. I do the majority of my trading or buy bid up to 30K in bonuses. Takes 2 seconds to sign up. Email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Gala Games. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we were looking for a wave 5. We called the wave 4 pullback and looking to come down in a wave 5. Now so far I only see a 3-wave move. Here I have a wave 1, that's a wave 2, potential wave 3, wave 4, and then put in one more lower low in a wave 5. If we were to bounce from here, then what we'd look for is a wave 4 pullback in between 0.043 and 0.048, and then coming down in a wave 5 just to complete a wave A, in my opinion. So from the high, you come down in a wave A, you pull back in a wave B, and then you look to come down in a wave C to complete a wave 2 pullback. This is what I think is the likely scenario. If Bitcoin were to be putting in a wave 4 and push up in a wave 5, then potentially what you would have to look at is that you came down for Gala in a wave A, this was a B, and this was a C, but this is a really shallow wave, really shallow wave 2. It hasn't met the minimum target yet, which is the 0.382 at 0.37. So if we do complete that 5-wave move, we will have been meeting the minimum target for a wave 2, but I don't think it's likely. I do think Gala will put in a larger ABC and come down in between 0.021 and 0.032 in a wave 2 before potentially pushing up in a wave 3. In my opinion, we'll have to see how it plays out. But in the short term, I do think we could easily put in one more low in a wave 5. So we have 1, 2, oh, come on, Jax, get it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete the wave 3, push up in a 4, find a wave 5 to complete a wave A. That's what I'm looking at right now for Gala Games before potentially putting in a large wave B bounce. Looking on the daily time frame, the RSI and the money flow have crossed the 50 line. Higher likelihood they will come back down to the bottom section, oversold on the RSI and about 1720 on the money flow. And that's when you see the price of Gala continue to pull back to the 2-cent range, in my opinion. Reach those oversold levels and then potentially push up in that wave 3. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, boom, wave 3. See you later, bottom in. I do think the bottom is in. There's a high likelihood. But as I mentioned, we did not invalidate that one bearish count, that this is an overshooting wave 4, and we'd still look to come down in a wave 5 in an ending diagonal. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4 never broke the wave 2 high, potentially come down to wave 5. I think it's less likely, but anything is possible. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. It takes 1 minute. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits. You can see how they're doing with their trades. As you can see, some of them are absolutely slaying. And Mahado all plays, all for 10 USD per month. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, Subway with a bag of Lay's. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.